Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Disability Certificate Renewal Full Guide. Start by gathering your original certificate, recent medical reports, government ID, and proof of address to avoid delays. Next, verify the exact local form required and whether you need supporting test results or doctor's signature. Prepare clear copies and keep originals handy for verification, and set aside a quiet hour to complete the application accurately and calmly. Fill the renewal form in a quiet place and read each section before you write to minimize errors. Use block letters for clarity and double-check dates and doctor information against your medical reports. If your condition has changed, describe it briefly and attach the corresponding evidence to support your claim. Sign exactly as on your ID and provide a working phone number or email so officials can contact you if needed during review. Quick recommendation. On another note, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker to set renewal reminders, play calming music while you prepare forms, or ask for appointment times hands-free. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical videos like this. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. Choose the submission method that fits you, in person at the issuing office or through the official online portal when available. After submission, obtain a dated receipt or confirmation number and record any expected processing time so you know when to follow up. If processing takes longer than stated, contact the office politely with your confirmation number and copies of submitted documents to check status and resolve issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.